So the question is, if I have money to go buy a business, what is the easiest business to go buy and run? So, good question. I think it's the wrong question. You know, if you have money to go buy a business, you have to, well, one, you have to ask yourself, should you buy a business? There's a lot of ways to make money when you have money. The stock market's a really good way to just generate wealth with the existing money that you have. Going back to the question that you have, if I have money and I want to go buy a business, what's the best business to buy? Well, I can't have that same answer for every single person. I need to ask you the questions, what is your background? What have you been good in the past? Like, what's your passion? Some of these things. And then the next question is, how much money do you have? Because there's a lot of other things that you have to take into consideration. How are you going to fund the transaction? What's the right business to buy for you? I'm not going to go tell somebody that's been a teacher to go buy a restaurant. If an auto mechanic comes to me and asks me, what's the best company for me to buy, Andy? And I'm going to say, well, what are you good at? What's your experience? I mean, again, I'm not going to go tell an auto mechanic to go buy a restaurant. I'm not going to go tell, somebody that has been in corporate America in sales their entire life to go buy an architectural firm. So what I'm getting at, when you're looking to go buy a business, buy something that you know and you're comfortable with or you can learn quickly.